Have you ever envisioned having an international client who wishes to purchase your product or compensate you for your service, yet you encounter difficulties in receiving payments? Or perhaps you operate as an online freelancer, or you own an e-commerce store, and as your venture expands, you realize that your personal account simply doesn't offer the essential tools required for professional business management. This is where PayPal Business comes into play. However, the crucial question isn't simply about how to open the account. The crucial question is, do you genuinely need a business account? Are its features and benefits truly worth utilizing? Can you open one without a formal company? And is it suitable for freelancers and small business owners? In this video, we'll answer all these questions, clarifying what PayPal Business is, its difference from a personal account, how to open one step by step, and its fees, features, and drawbacks. And by the end, we'll find out whether it's worth using or not. When people hear business account, they often believe they must have a formally registered company or even a commercial registration, but the reality is quite different. PayPal specifically designed its business account to cater to anyone receiving payments for products or services, even if they operate independently. Whether you are a designer, programmer, translator, content creator, selling digital products, owning an e-commerce store, or providing online services, you are one of those who can truly benefit from PayPal Business. The idea isn't that you've become a large corporation, but that you're managing your transactions more professionally. You must know the difference between both account types first. A personal account is suited for individuals who use PayPal for personal purposes, such as purchasing items online, sending money to friends, accepting small payments, or making payments on various websites. If your use is limited and personal, this account is probably enough for you. But when you start receiving money from clients or selling products, the need for a business account arises. A business account is designed for those who use PayPal as part of a commercial activity. It gives you extra tools like using a business name, creating professional invoices, receiving commercial payments, e-commerce integration, and financial transaction management. Instead of just a person's name appearing to the client, your business name can show, giving a more professional impression. A key difference between a personal and a business account is brand identity. With a personal account, the client usually deals with your personal name. However, with a business account, you are able to use your project or business name, which is crucial if you are selling products or offering services to clients who are unfamiliar with you previously. A key feature of PayPal Business is the ability to create and send invoices. Rather than asking a client to just send money via PP, send an invoice detailing service, price, due date, client, and work specifics. This makes your business look more organized and professional. You don't need a company to open the account, and that's a crucial point. In many cases, PayPal allows individuals to open a business account under the sole proprietor classification. This means that you're able to utilize a business account, even if you operate as a freelancer and haven't established a registered company. However, country-specific requirements vary. PPAL may request more info to verify identity or activity. Now, let's move on to opening the account. First, go to the registration page. Go to PayPal's account creation page. You'll see two options, a personal account option and a business account. Here, you will choose business account because you want to use PayPal to receive work-related payments. After choosing a business account, PayPal will ask for your business type. If you work independently and don't have a company, you'll choose sole proprietor. This option means you operate the business independently, without a distinct company, making it ideal for freelancers and small business owners alike. Then, PayPal will prompt you to provide your full legal name, email address, phone number, and residential address. It's very important that this information is correct and matches your official documents, because PayPal has a strong verification system. PayPal will ask for a brief activity description. This step is important for PayPal to understand your account usage. For example, if you're a designer, write, "I offer graphic design and digital content services to clients." If you sell products, for example, enter, An e-commerce store selling products online. No need for a long description, just ensure it's concise and clear. After input, you will reach the verification stage. A sole proprietor account usually does not need an official company number, but PayPal may request your ID, local tax ID, and birth date, depending on your country. These procedures are designed to protect your account and prevent fraud. Then, you'll link a financial instrument to your account. This can be a bank account, credit card, or debit card, allowing you to receive and withdraw funds later. Always ensure correct data to avoid transfer issues. Once you're done, PayPal will send a message to your email. Open the message, click the confirmation link, and your account will be ready to use. Sometimes PayPal may request your ID, proof of address, or activity documents. This is normal, not an issue. They are security procedures to verify the account holder's identity. After creating the account, there are some settings to adjust. First, review your account information and confirm your name, email, phone number, address, and bank account. Secondly, add your business name and logo if you have a project or a business. Third, enable notifications to know instantly if a payment arrives or an issue occurs. Fourth, try to segregate business and personal funds so you can clearly track your profits and expenses. Regarding fees, account opening is free with no mandatory monthly subscription. However, fees apply for commercial payments, international transactions, currency exchange, and withdrawals. Fees vary by country and transaction type. However, it's crucial to note that the cost isn't always reflected in the displayed fees, as you could lose money due to the currency exchange rate. So if you deal with different currencies, pay close attention to this. To reduce PP fees, there are a few methods that can help. Avoid unnecessary currency conversions and try to batch smaller payments together. Factor PayPal fees into your pricing and use invoices to organize your transactions. And monitor exchange rates before converting. One of the main benefits of PayPal Business is its global trust and reach. PayPal's biggest strength is that customers know and trust it, especially when buying from a new store or person. It also excels at receiving payments from customers around the world. If you work online, clients can easily pay you from different countries. Another great feature is invoices, which make dealing with clients more organized and give your business a professional image. Additionally, PayPal can be integrated with various e-commerce platforms to facilitate sales, and having a separate business account allows you to track income, expenses, profits, and cash flow effectively. Despite the benefits, be aware of some things, mainly fees. PayPal isn't always the cheapest, especially for large amounts. PayPal may review accounts if unusual activity is noted, like sudden large payments, a mismatch in activity or registered info, or frequent disputes. So use accurate data and keep business records. It is best not to make PayPal your sole payment method for your business. Always having alternatives helps you avoid business interruption should any issues arise. And now, the crucial question. Is PayPal Business worth it? It depends on your use. If you only use PayPal to buy or send money, a personal account is likely sufficient. However, if you're a freelancer, an e-commerce store owner, selling products or offering services, PayPal Business is likely the best and most professional choice. PayPal Business isn't the cheapest service, but its value goes beyond price. It lies in customer trust, global reach, payment ease, business tools, and the ability to start without a formal company in many cases. So before choosing the right account, ask yourself, am I using PayPal for personal use, or am I building a business that requires tools to help me grow? If your goal is to manage a commercial activity and receive payments from clients, then PayPal Business is definitely worth considering.